do regular trainings on AI tools as well. But I would love for you to book a free 15-minute with me, and I will go through with you and give you a free AI audit so that we can look at what automation that would benefit your company. Now, this is something that is truly remarkable. I've managed to reduce my staffing levels by 70% by using AI. Look, I could even go away on holiday and AI would take over for me as a CFO if I wanted to. So you are the provider, or maybe you're the business owner, then why not give it a go? Because AI is the perfect solution. You can have AI run your business, and what's so wonderful about it is that you are not having to deal with staff members going off sick, for example, staff members perhaps not feeling at their optimal, or maybe you can help the staff that you've got. But if you're just starting out and you can't afford to pay for all of these different salaries, then I suggest that you get AI into your business as soon as possible so that we can input the data of what work that needs to be done, the workflow that needs to be done, which is what I know what needs to be done if it's a healthcare business or any type of business, for example. Then with your help, we can build an AI automation operations in your business at a fraction of the cost of what it would cost you to employ someone, to pay taxes, to pay inflation, to pay pensions. Now look, I'm just saying that this is going to be for 2025. A lot of new businesses will look at taking on AI automation systems in their business. And maybe that's you, that you've thought about this and you want to know how can you do this and what types of AI that you currently need in your business. And AI will grow with you anyway, no matter what level you're at. So what I'd love for you to do is to book a free 15-30 minute AI audit automation meeting with me online, and we'll go through that together. So click the link here somewhere, because this AI automation for a one-man business or one-woman business, for example, is the perfect solution to entrepreneurs just starting out. So I'd love to hear from you. Drop in the comments what you think about what I'm saying, whether you agree with it or not. AI is here, and I think it's time for us to embrace it. But I also think it's time for us to be able to look at working in a smarter way. And I believe that AI automations in your business, with dealing with all of your operations, is the perfect solution, especially for a one-person business. So I hope that you'll be able to join me in this journey, because that's where I'm working towards as well. Even though I've got a small team as well, and I will keep them on. But you know, this is something that is remarkable. And I'd love for you to be able to have that ease of mind, but also at the same time, you know that things are being done for your business. So I look forward to hearing from you soon. And my name is Christine Crowell, and just click the link here. Do like and subscribe if you've liked what I've said, and I can't wait to meet you. Take care. Thank you. Bye.